Imagine walking past a storm-damaged tree laid down beside a road. To most people, it might look like nothing more than a fallen tree that needs to be removed. But what if that same tree could eventually become a stunning dining table, a modern coffee table, a beautiful bench, or a one kind of wall decor? What if the rough, forgotten wood hidden inside that log contains patterns and colors that could make a piece of furniture look like a work of art? That's the idea behind today's project. Hello there, reviewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are exploring urban salvage log and simple steel elements can be transformed into sophisticated furniture and decor. We are going to celebrate the things that makes natural wood different: the curves, the knobs, the unusual grain, the natural edge, the small mark that show the wood has lived a life before it even entered the workshop. That's what makes live edge furniture so fascinating. Every piece tells a different story. You could take two logs from the same area and end up with completely different piece of furniture. One might have a dramatic curve, another might reveal beautiful color, another might have a unique grain pattern that becomes the centerpiece of the entire project. And when you combine that organic wood with clean, simple steel, the contrast can be incredible. The wood brings warmth, the steel brings structure, the wood feels natural and timeless. The steel gives the piece a modern and sophisticated appearance. Together, they can create furniture that feels both rustic and contemporary at the same time. But here is the part that makes this idea even more interesting. You don't always have to start with expensive lumber. Some incredible pieces can begin with materials that other people have overlooked: storm-damaged trees, urban salvage, blocks, fallen branch, old timber, forgotten piece of wood. These materials may not look valuable when you first find them, but with the right vision, they can become something completely different. And that's one of the most exciting things about woodworking. You learn to see potential where other people see waste. The rough log is not necessarily a problem. It can be opportunity. An unusual shape is not necessarily a disadvantage. It can become the feature that makes the finished piece unforgettable. And a natural imperfection does not always need to be hidden. Sometimes that imperfection is exactly what makes the furniture beautiful. Today, we are going to follow that transformation from the beginning. We are looking at how to choose a promising salvage log, how to think about its shape before cutting, how to reveal the beauty hidden inside, how to work with the natural edge instead of fighting it, how to combine the wood with simple steel design, and how to turn the finished piece into furniture that looks intentional, modern, and ready for a beautiful home. We are also talking about something every creative woodworker should think about. Imagine telling a customer that your dining table began with a storm-damaged tree that was rescued from becoming waste. That's just a piece of furniture. It's a story. It's a second life for the material. It's a combination of nature, creativity, and craftsmanship. And for someone who wants to turn woodworking into a business, that story can become part of the product itself. You don't have to make every project enormous. A small piece of live edge wood could become a shelf, a side table, a bench, a plant table, a bench, a survey tray, or a beautiful decorative piece. The important thing is to understand what the material offering you. Instead of forcing the wood into a design, let the wood help guide the design. Look at its curve, follow the grain, then think about where the natural edge will be most visible. Think about how the steel can support the shape without taking attention away from it. This is where woodworking becomes more than simple building something. It becomes a conversation between the maker and the material. And you don't need to be a famous furniture designer to start learning this approach. You can begin with a simple piece of salvage wood. You can experiment, you can make mistakes, you can learn, and with every project you will become better at seeing what a piece of wood can become. So, before you look at another discarded log and see nothing but waste, take another look. Look beyond the rough exterior. Look at the grain. Look at the shape. Look at the possibility. Because hidden inside that rough piece of timber could be a beautiful piece of furniture waiting to be discovered. So let's take that forgotten urban salvage wood and begin the transformation from rough log to sophisticated living furniture. Let's get started. Start with the right salvage log. The first step is finding a piece of wood with worth saving. Don't just look for the biggest log. Look for chapter and character. Look at the natural shape. Look at the curves. Look at the grain. Look for interesting color and natural pattern. A strange looking log can sometimes produce the most beautiful furniture. The goal is to imagine what the wood could become before you start cutting it. Look for character, not perfection. One of the best and the biggest advantage of the living furniture is that perfection is not the goal. Natural knocks can add personality. Interesting edges can become part of the design. Color changes can create beautiful patterns. Small natural marks can tell the story of the tree. And instead of trying to make every piece look identical, we are allowing the wood to remain unique. That's what makes handmade furniture different from something produced in a factory. Clean the log before building. Salvage wood needs attention before it becomes furniture. Remove dust, dirt, loose dark, and anything that does not belong in the finished piece. Give the wood time to become stable for indoor use. Don't rush this stage. Beautiful furniture begins with properly prepared material. The more care you give the wood at the beginning, the better the finished product can become. Reveal what is hidden inside. This is one of the most exciting parts of woodworking salvage log. The outside of the log may look ordinary, but once the surface is cleared and opened, completely different color and pattern can appear. You may discover beautiful grain that was hidden beneath the rough exterior. This is where the transformation really begins. Let the natural edge becomes the star. With living furniture, don't automatically cut away the natural edge. That irregular line is part of the beauty. It reminds us that the furniture comes from a real tree. Every curve is slightly different. Every edge tells its own story. That's exactly what makes living edge furniture so appealing. Think about the final design exactly. Before cutting the wood, imagine how the finished furniture should look. Will it be a dining table, a coffee table, a bench, a floating shelf, a desk, a console table, or perhaps a decorative wall piece? The answer will help determine how you use the natural shape of the wood. Work with the grain. The natural line in the wood can guide the entire design. Instead of fighting against those lines, work with them. Let the grain draw attention toward the most beautiful part of the piece. The good design allows the natural beauty of the material to become the main attention. Don't waste the small pieces. When a large log is cut into useful sections, smaller pieces may remain. Don't automatically throw away them. Smaller sections can become shelves, decorative trays, candle holders, a plant stand, small stools, wall art, or another unique home decor pieces. Using more of the original log means less waste and more creative opportunity. Bring steel into the design. Now comes the exciting contrast: natural wood and modern steel. The combination works because the materials are so different. The wood feels warm and organic, the steel feels clean and modern. Together, they create balance. A simple steel frame can make a beautiful piece of living wood look even more dramatic. Keep the steel design simple. You don't need complicated shape. Sometimes, the simplest frame looks the best. Clean lines allow the wood to remain the focus. A simple black or natural looking steel frame can give the furniture a modern appearance without competing with the grain. Think of the steel as a support system and let the wood be the star. Make the furniture feel balanced. A beautiful piece is not only about appearance, it all needs to feel stable and comfortable. Think carefully about the size of the leg or frame. Make sure the furniture sits properly. Check that the wood is supported. Take your time during assembly. Good furniture should look beautiful from every angle. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving friends and family. And let's inspire more people to create something beautiful. Pay attention to the connection. Whether the wood meets the steel is especially important. The connection should be feel clean and intentional. Avoid making the frame look like something at the last point or at the last minute. The best design makes the wood and steel appear as though they were meant to be together from the beginning. Smooth the surface carefully. Now it's time to bring out the beauty of the wood. Smooth away rough areas while keeping the natural character. Don't remove so much that the wood loses its personality. The goal is to create a surface that feels comfortable while still looking natural. Take your time. A beautiful finish begins with careful preparation. Choose a finish that highlights the wood. The right finish can completely change the appearance of salvage timber. A natural looking finish can bring out the grain. A deep finish can make the color richer. The choice depends on the style you are creating. But don't cover up the beauty you have worked so hard to reveal. Let the natural pattern remain visible. Make the natural details stand out. Look closely at the finished wood. Nice and knock. Notice the curve. Notice the different shape. These details are what makes the special. You are not simply making furniture, you are preserving a small part of the tree story. Create a furniture that becomes a focal point. A great levied table does not simply fill an empty space, it becomes the center of attention. People naturally want to look at the unusual shape of the wood. They want to touch the surface. They want to ask where it came from. That's the power of furniture made from natural material. Think beyond the table. Levied wood is not limited to dining table. You can create coffee tables, bench, desk, shelf, headboards, console table, nightstand, plant stand, wall decor, even smaller decorative crafts. The possibilities depend on the shape and the size of the material you find. Turn leftover wood into decor. A small piece can become valuable decorative product. Imagine a natural wood candle holders, small levied shelf, a decorative service board, a plant stand, or a unique wall display. This small project can help you use more of the material while creating additional products. Create a consistent style. If you want to sell your work, developing a recognizable style can be helpful. Maybe your furniture combines natural wood with simple steel. Maybe you focused on warm, rustic piece. Or perhaps your style is modern and minimalist. When people can recognize your work, your furniture becomes easier to remember. Tell the story of the wood. Don't underestimate the story behind salvage materials. Where did the tree come from? Was it damaged by a storm? Was it removed from an urban area? How did it become part of your workshop? Customers often love knowing that their furniture has a story. Instead of a simple selling table, you are sharing the story of the tree that received a second life. Sustainable furniture has a powerful story. Reusing salvage wood gives the material another chance. Instead of allowing useful timbers to become waste, you are transforming into something long-lasting. That makes the finished piece more meaningful. It it also gives customers an opportunity to bring natural materials into simple home in a responsible way. Creative furniture people cannot find everywhere. Mass-produced furniture often looks very similar from one piece to another. Salvage lived furniture is different. No two pieces of wood are exactly the same. That makes your finished furniture can have its own identity. Customers are not just buying another table, they are buying something unique. Think about the customer. When creating furniture to sell, imagine where the piece will live. Could it look good in a modern living room? Could it work in stylish coffee? Could it work in stylish office? Could it fit inside a cozy cafe? Could it become statement piece in a hotel? Think about the customer can help guide your design choice. High-end does not always mean complicated. A piece does not need hundreds of details to look expensive. Clean design can feel luxurious. Beautiful wood can speak for itself. Simple steel lines can create a sophisticated appearance. A careful finish can make an enormous difference. Sometimes the most impressive design are the simplest one. Photography the finished piece beautifully. If you plan to sell your furniture, don't forget about presentation. A great piece deserves a great photography. Use natural light while possible. Show the entire piece. Show close-up of the grain. Show the natural edge. Show the steel frame. Show the furniture inside a real room if possible. Good photography helps customers imagine the piece in their own home. Start with one piece. You don't need to buy a huge collection immediately. Start with one project. Learn from it. Improve the next one. Then create another. Over time, you can develop your own collection of furniture and decor. Turn salvage wood into an opportunity. What begins as a discarded log can become much more than a woodworking project. It can become a beautiful piece of furniture. It can become a conversational starter. It can become a unique product. And for a skilled maker, it can potentially become a source of income. The real opportunity is learning how to use value where others see waste. The beauty is in the transformation. Think about where these materials started. Storm damaged tree, forgotten urban log, a rough piece of timber, and how now imagine it has a beautiful table standing in someone's home. That's the magic of woodworking. You are you are not simply cutting wood, you are transforming it. The the final inspiration is the next time you see a discarded log, don't immediately walk past it. Look at its shape, look at the grain, look at the natural edge. Ask yourself what it could become. Maybe it could become a table, maybe a shelf, maybe a bench, or maybe something nobody has ever designed before. That's where creativity begins. If you are worker, if you are woodworker, don't be afraid to experiment with salvage material. Start with small projects. Learn how the materials behaves. Practice your finishing. Experiment with simple steel design, and slowly develop your own style. If you're interested in selling your work, thank you for watching. Keep looking at unordinary materials with extraordinary imagination, because sometimes the most beautiful furniture begins with a piece of wood that someone else decided to throw away. Stay creative, stay safe, work safely, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.